Are they looking at her? They looking at you.
No, they don't.
Count, how many you see? One? Count them.
Yeah, I see. That is a mess. I wish he would come in here and see what he did. Oh, where in the world?
Oh, look, there they're walking.
Look at him.
Oh, one. What you say? 1, 2. Tell me, show me.
Look at that. Put the foot up there next. I'm gonna put it in his head.
I'm just gonna put your foot up in his head.
Oh my baby.
Look at them. They're looking at you.
Oh, I ain't looking at you.
They're looking at you.
You go on.
Tell them go on.
Go on down. I was so good to get this when he coming.
You're gonna tell them about it, ain't you?
I'm gonna tell them, and I hope they stay there.
You hope they stay there, huh?
Yeah, there and the gird, the word that they're there. That's big. They that bad.
Maybe they're going inside. They're gonna go in the house. Look at them. They're going in the house.
Oh.
They're gonna get something to eat. They're gonna get a Whopper Jr.
Oh, I think it's gone.
Look
because that gun was our area.
Look at that.
I see. Look, just look. That's beautiful.
That's pitiful, huh?
Look at them videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, that's a lot.
And
I ain't
don't
never.
be coming here.
No, they're not.
You better get.
Oh, it looked at you. He said, what? Said, what'd you say to me?
Get out of there. Look at all of them. I wish my head is my husband seemed just like that. Oh.
You laughing so hard.
Now you see, he know. He went over there.
That one, yeah. Hey. They look at you. They're looking at you. He's like, what you doing?
Oh my goodness.
They're just standing there.
And this is it been mess with that.
That's a mess over there.
And this one over here, it was here the same thing.
Oh, was it? Oh, look at
Get.
They all looked
Get out of
at
here.
They said, what?
I wish he was standing in there. If he's standing there and see what he do. Look at that.
They're pretty though, aren't they?
No, I don't like
You know, they're not pretty.
No. I don't want it.
You don't want it.
I wish I had us. Get. Get.
They said, we're not thinking about you.
Now, the man had that before we got us.
Okay.
And it's still in there.
Is it? Is it really?
But not for here.
Okay.
Look at that.
He's cleaning his face with his foot. That's some stuff.
I'm gonna tell my husband to laugh to tell him.
You gonna tell him?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him. Look at him. Look how so. Now first down there, the woman, the one that bad been.
Okay.
and there too for a little bit, but you don't go on. I can't go in.
You can no.
Go.
They don't care.
Get out of here.
They said, what?
I'm gonna get something on them.
No, you're not gonna get nothing on them, Aunt Callie. As long as they stay over there. So they stay over there, we're still over here.
And the word don't work. They don't work that late.
They don't work. No, they don't work that late.
You know. And then when he see this, he see that he gonna let him. He gonna make him here.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. You right, girl.
Oh boy.
He looking over again. Like what y'all? He said, "What y'all laughing
He
at?"
coming now?
Oh no, he not coming. I just said he just looked and said, "What y'all looking at? What y'all laughing at?"
You get out of your nose.
Get out of your nose.
Look at that.
I think they like the music. I think they tapping their foot like the music too.
Well, I tell you, you better get out of here. Oh, get me a pout. See, you got no pants, head, no there.
Mm-hmm.
And see, this is simple. That's simple to this.
Okay, that is.
When we get out of there, it rained.
It rained.
Mm-hmm. I'm a winning tummy tell him to show that. and I don't want that. Look at it. He moved.
Did he move?
Moved.
What'd he do?
He didn't have no nothing. Oh my goodness.
I ain't never seen nothing like this. You seen this before?
I have.
You didn't tell them?
No, I'm telling
You didn't say come? You didn't bring them here?
No.
They're not yours?
Uh-huh.
That...
Look at the move.
Oh, say what? He said, say what?
But I won. Let's see. No, I never get to this fullest this part over here. He curved that.
Uh-huh.
But we ain't never see that. Look at him. That is a mess. Not a little. Only the way to wait for them that. What would you do?
We could keep them over there. That's what we do. We keep them over there. Mm-hmm. But we just watch them because they can't do nothing. Mm-hmm. They can't get to us. Mm-hmm. So we okay. Mm-hmm. And we just watch them flap their wings and fly.
The white's leg was on the thing too.
The leg was on the thing?
Mm-hmm. That was the reed feet. That sit over there.
Okay.
But ain't gonna come and no do nothing.
Mm-mm. That one likes us. That one likes you. He said hi.
Mm-hmm. And just a lot of them.
Mm-hmm. Just a lot of them.
Mm-hmm. I wonder, what is it a witty where you, what do you get this that do? That man that is not mine. It was an hour for him to ice.
It was an hour?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. And she's short.
She's
right?
Okay.
Uh-huh.
They just stay right there. Look, they don't care.
Mm-mm. Sure don't. I'm gonna have to tell that.
You gonna?
I'm gonna tell.
There it goes again.
He done messed, didn't he? Did he?
Mm-hmm. Legs got tired.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They just sat there.
Mm-hmm. Look at down on this one.
Sitting down.